I love to cook. Being in the kitchen, I feel like I find myself in it. My name is Adel Abdelmasih. I'm the owner of John's Pizza. It's family owned, me and my wife. We love it, we love the people, we love the town. Very small town, everybody knows everybody. It feels like a big family to me. Cornerstone, they take care of their clients. It's easy, it's fast, it's professional. I don't have to wait 15 minutes to do a transaction. It's the best. You know, you're in and out, you done it right. And I think this is the most important thing for anybody who owns a business, is time. The personal relationship is, they call you by name. They know exactly who you are, what you do for business. If I decide one day to do more than one thing, I think I find everything here as far as commercial loans, personal loans. When you do business, you do relationship with provision companies, your banks, the places that you deal with. And you feel comfortable in one place than others. And one of these places I feel really comfortable with and I feel I belong here, it's Cornerstone. To be honest, I think I can't find any better.